Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Shareworks by Morgan Stanley. Review my usage experience. Shareworks by Morgan Stanley is a platform designed for managing employee stock options and other equity compensation. It's primarily aimed at employees of companies that utilize Morgan Stanley's services for equity compensation administration. Key features likely include tracking stock grants, exercising options, and managing tax implications related to equity compensation. Their website provides details on specific features and functionality. Shareworks positions itself as a secure and user-friendly platform for managing employee equity. They emphasize ease of use and access to information regarding your stock options. The website highlights the security measures in place to protect sensitive financial data. Pricing is likely tied to the employer's agreement with Morgan Stanley, not directly to the employee. Availability is dependent on whether your employer uses Shareworks. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Shareworks. Getting started was fairly straightforward. After receiving my login credentials from my employer, accessing the platform was simple. The initial setup involved verifying my identity and linking my bank account for any potential future transactions related to stock option exercises. Navigating the interface was intuitive. The dashboard clearly displays my current holdings, vesting schedules, and pending transactions. I recently exercised some options, and the process was surprisingly smooth. I was able to initiate the transaction, review the details, and authorize it all within a few minutes. The platform's performance was excellent. It was responsive and consistently reliable. I had a quick question about tax implications of an exercise, and their support responded within 2 days via email. The response was comprehensive and helpful. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was and how easily I could track the value of my options over time. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, but I had to access it through my laptop. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Shareworks. It's a well-designed platform that simplifies the often complex process of managing employee stock options. That's my overview of Shareworks by Morgan Stanley. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.